Yo, what's up mga engkanto? It's your boy Changi, Philippine Tattoo Studio. Brrr.
Hey, we got Changi, Rippin our studio, and for today's video, we got 3 minimal lettering tattoo. We got Life Goes On, Hakuna Matata, and Hiraya Manawari. Hindi po masokista si ma'am, na-miss niya lang po talaga magpatato, kaya sabay-sabay niyang pinalagay yung tatlong word na gusto niya. And for the first word, we got Hiraya Manawari. And Hiraya Manawari is an Asian Tagalog phrase. Hiraya is a deeper form of hope, and Manawari means to happen. So Hiraya Manawari means hope it happens. And skip na natin to the next word. We got Life Goes On in a color part, and we all know what this motivational word means, kaya skip na natin yan sa dana part. And for the next word, we got Hakuna Matata. And pandagdag kaalaman, this word is actually a phrase in East African language of Swahili, meaning no trouble or no problem. Kaya kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan nating pagsubok, never lose hope, life goes on, and no worries. Alright? And back in the process, nalibang ako sa kakakwento. Sabay-sabay na natin silang binalutan. And again, for the first word, we got Hiraya Manawari, Hakuna Matata, and Life Goes On. Big shout out to Ma'am Liana, and it's your boy A-Tech, Rippin Tattoo Studio. Peace out.
Ready. Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike.